Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build a circle arch. First, gather your materials, including PVC pipe, connectors, and a sturdy base. Next, measure and cut your PVC pipe sections to create the desired arch size. Remember to account for the connectors in your measurements. Finally, assemble the base securely to ensure your arch stands firm and stable. This initial setup is crucial for a successful project. Now let's form the arch itself. Begin by connecting your cut PVC pipe sections to create a semicircle. If needed, gently apply heat with a heat gun to carefully bend the PVC into a smooth, continuous curve. Work slowly and evenly to avoid kinks. Once curved, attach these sections firmly to your pre-assembled base. This step brings your arch to life.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY guides. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride fresh. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your arch structure complete, it's time for the fun part: decorating. You can attach balloons, fresh flowers, or elegant fabric drapes to personalize your arch. Use floral wire or small zip ties to secure your decorations firmly, ensuring they stay in place. For evening events, consider weaving in some battery-operated string lights to create a magical glow. Get creative and make it yours. Safety and stability are paramount for your circle arch. Always ensure your base is adequately weighted, especially if you're using the arch outdoors where wind might be a factor. Double-check all connections to confirm they are tight and secure. Finally, place your finished arch on a flat, level surface to prevent any accidental tipping. A stable arch is a safe arch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.